What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when you're unable to allow an application access to your camera on your iPhone or iPad. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. In most cases, an app which needs camera access will show a pop-up asking you to allow camera access to use a service or feature within the app. If you don't allow it, then this prompt may never appear again. To grant an app access to your camera, make sure to open up your Settings application. From here, navigate to Privacy and then tap on Camera. This will show you a list of apps which have requested access to your camera in the past, and you can enable or disable access to each app from here. In case the app you're looking for is not showing up, then head back to your main settings. Scroll down and tap on the app's name, such as Zoom. From here, enable the camera option. Completely restart the application and it should work fine the next time you open it up. In case you feel like it's still not working, or if the app is not recognizing the setting change, then I suggest reinstalling the app to your iPhone. This will in most cases ask you access to the camera again. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.